wanted independence. I wanted financial freedom. I want to grow professionally and personally. So I really want you to do self-reflection and know your why. Just because that you have these reasons doesn't mean that move abroad. We all have different stories. I don't want you to do what I did. That's why I want you to make sure first. I want you to make sure, because in the next few vlogs, you will know what the mistakes, the regrets that I had when I came here. I will share it to you so you'll learn from me. Trust me that going abroad is not the answer to your problem, okay? Maybe it can be an answer to one problem of yours, but not to everything. It always depends on you. How will you solve those problems? So please address it, face it, accept that it is your reality now, and then do something. Do something about it. Don't escape. Don't move abroad just because you want to escape. Please don't do what I did. Please don't. So, salamat sa pagkita.